In this session, we will be learning how to save the file, how to open the drawing file, and how to share a drawing file. While creating a drawing or editing an existing drawing, it is imperative to save your work periodically to avoid any data loss. To save a drawing file, click on the Save tool in the Quick Access toolbar. Alternatively, press Ctrl S or enter Save in the command line window. Note, if you are saving the drawing for the first time, then click on the Save tool. Save Drawing As dialog box appears. In this dialog box, browse to the location where you want to save the drawing file, and then enter the name of the drawing file in the File Name field of the dialog box. Then click on the Save button. The drawing file gets saved in the specified location of your computer with the specified name in .dwg file extension. The .dwg is the file extension of Autocad. If the drawing has already been saved with the particular name on your computer and you have made modification to it, then by clicking the Save tool, the drawing gets saved directly without display of Save Drawing As dialog box. You can also save an already saved drawing file with a different name. To save an already saved drawing file with a different name, click on the Save As tool in the Quick Access toolbar. Alternatively, you can enter Save As in the command line window and then hit Enter button. The Save Drawing As dialog box appears. In the dialog box, enter the new name for the drawing file in File Name field and then click on the Save button. The drawing file gets saved with the new specified name without affecting the original file. AutoCAD allows you to save your drawing file in previous versions of AutoCAD. For doing so, select the required version of AutoCAD in the file type of the drop-down list of the Save Drawing As dialog box. In addition to saving the drawing file by using Save or Save As tool, AutoCAD automatically saves your drawing file after every 10 minutes. You can change the default time interval for automatically saving the drawing file by using Options dialog box. To do so, enter OP in the command line window and press Enter. The Options dialog box appears. In this dialog box, click on the Open and Save tab and then enter the time interval in minutes between the Save field of the File Safety Precaution area in the dialog box. After setting the time, click OK to accept the change and exit the dialog box. And this was all about saving the drawing file in AutoCAD to prevent the data loss. Now, we will talk about opening a drawing file. To open an existing drawing, click on the Open tool in the Quick Access toolbar. The Select File dialog box appears. You can also enter Open in the command line window and then press Enter to evoke the dialog box. In this dialog box, browse to the location where your file is saved. Note, by default, the drawing.dwg file extension is selected in the file type drop-down list. As a result, only .dwg file extension appears in the folder. Select the drawing file to be opened and then click on the Open button. The selected drawing gets opened in AutoCAD. You can also open .dws .dxf file or .dwt files by selecting the standards or drawing template file extension in the file type drop-down list respectively. You can also open the drawing file as read-only, which protect the drawing from any change, and it is used for review only. Note: the AutoCAD does not restrict you from making any change in read-only file. However, it does not allow you to save the changes made in read-only file. To open a drawing as a read-only file, click on the Open tool in Quick Access toolbar. To evoke the Select File dialog box. Next, select the drawing to be opened and then click on the down arrow next to the Open button. And then from the flyout, choose Open Read Only option. The selected drawing gets open as the read-only file. When you save the read-only file after making some modification or changes, the AutoCAD message window appears, which informs you that the current drawing file is write protected. However, you can save the modified read-only file with different name by using the Save As tool. And last, we have the sharing a drawing file. AutoCAD allows you to share the copy of your drawing, including its external reference, with anyone by using the link. To do so, save the drawing and click on the Share Drawing tool in the Quick Access toolbar. The share link to this drawing window appears. To share read-only copy where the file can only be viewed and no editing, saving or downloading of the file is allowed, select the View Only option in the Share a link to this drawing window, and then copy the link that is generated in window. On the other hand, to share an editable copy where the file can be viewed, edited, and saved, select the Edit and Save a Copy option in the Share link to this drawing window, and then copy the link that is generated in the window. Now, you can give this link to anyone to access the copy of your drawing. The drawing file can also be opened in AutoCAD web app by using the link. The changes made in the edited copy of the drawing will not reflect in the original file. And that was all about saving, opening, and sharing a drawing file.